Hello everyone. In this tutorial, I'll guide you through the steps to back up your data on Twitter. Let's get started. Step 1. Open the Twitter app on your mobile phone. Simply locate the app icon and tap to open it. Step 2. Once the app is open, tap on your profile picture at the top left corner of the screen. This will lead you to your profile settings. Step 3. In the profile settings, tap on Settings and Support, and then select Settings and Privacy. This will take you to the next stage of the process. Step 4. Within the settings, locate and select Your Account. This is where you can access and manage your account-related settings. Step 5. Now, tap on Your Twitter Data. This option allows you to view and control the data associated with your Twitter account. Step 6. Within the Twitter data section, select Account Information. This is where you can find detailed information about your account. Step 7. To initiate the backup process, tap on Download an archive of your data. This will create a copy of your Twitter data for safekeeping. Step 8. You may be required to verify your account at this stage. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the verification process. Step 9. Finally, tap on Requesting Archive to confirm and start the backup process. Your data will now be securely archived. By following these steps, you can easily back up your data on Twitter and ensure that your information is protected. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more helpful tutorials.